Balbianello actually wasn't the main residency of the Cardinal. The Cardinal lived in Villa Balbiano. I don't know if you know that one too. They kept the villa for around a century, but then they ended up abandoning the villa before. And then in 1974 they sold it one last time to the last owner of the villa, Guido Monzino. He was an Italian entrepreneur from Milan, but also an explorer. He was the man who, and also the Attack of the Clones, Star Wars. Is any of you maybe a fan of the movies? Yeah? Okay, so we'll also see a couple locations in which they filmed something. The first one is actually just here, this little garden on which they filmed one of the scenes of Casino Royale. The one the original building from the 13th century. You can see the connection between the two buildings if you look down. Books about Mount Everest. In the middle, those rocks, they come from the summit of Mount Everest. That is the first of two guest rooms we'll visit today. Here the style is basically... Okay, so now instead we're inside the end with everything Monzino needed at the time again to prepare something to drink for the guests. Well, instead outside there, on the terrace is where they filmed the other scene of James Bond, the Casino Royale, the one with Daniel Craig. The scene in which you can see him recovering here in the villa. Now keep going. So again, this one is above the fireplace and one above the cabinet that way. When instead at the bottom shelf you can see Okay, so again, we're inside the dining room now. We can see things we actually already have seen in the other rooms. The only thing we didn't see yet is on the silverware, on the plates. There you can see the coat of arms of Monzino, which is the summit of what you see outside at the top of the bell tower. So these 4 cables, they start from here and they go straight up to the bells. So that the mechanism is also ringing the bells every half an hour.